Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to Telugu Option Trader. Uh, I have taken some of the positions for next week options. Next positional trades in Nifty and both Bank Nifty and Nifty. And let's see the positions. And before that, let me show me the charts and I will explain why I taken the those positions. So this is a range in Bank Nifty. Actually, this is today's range. Let it be, and there is a upper side 37,200 as a resistance, and on the lower side there is 36,200. And in Nifty, the case is different as the Nifty has moved too violently. It is at all time high, so there is we can only see open interest data for the resistance and support. In open interest, there is huge open interest at 17,500 and 17,300, 200 also. And on the lower side we have support at 17k as usual. As you can see this line, the 17k is the support. And let's see my I will show you my positions. This is the Bank Nifty position. And wait a minute. Yeah, okay, this is the Bank Nifty positions. And try to subscribe to the channel because I will update each and every adjustment that I will take for these positions in both Bank Nifty and Nifty. Okay, and the range is in between 35,800 and 37,660. I think this is 800 point range, and mostly Bank Nifty won't expire in this range, so we will keep on adjusting our positions. If we get 2 to 3k profit, I will exit my positions. And I will also show you my not only in Upstra. Actually, these are all the original trades, not in Upstra. I mean, I am showing in Upstra because so that everyone can understand easily. Even for myself, in Upstra only I can understand everything easily. And as you can see, these are the original positions: 37,500 call options and 38,500 call option sell by. These are the legs. And let me show you the another account, that is a Fosstock account, in which I have capital of almost 5k. After collateral, I may be getting around 4.2 lakh, I think. With that, I am trading. In this account, I will be I am very conservative trader in this account, but in Angel One, I am very aggressive. I will write in directional also sometimes. Okay, let's see the positions now. So the range is very small, 550 point, 600 point range. Actually, we can say 600 point, but nowadays the Nifty movement is so high. The 200 point movement can be come in one day itself. So we should be very careful in adjusting these positions, because if there is any sudden up move, we should be ready to roll our puts to adjust the calls, so that we know the calls will not bleed, so that we not face huge losses. Okay, and let me show you the original positions of this also. Okay, okay, as you can see, these four positions, you can see, right, these four positions are the Nifty positions that has been taken for the as the positional trade. And here we are getting as almost like 15k premium. But after I think 50%, at 7k, I will exit all the positions, and I will take another straddles, so that the market movement may be reduced. And if the profit in 15,000, if it becomes half, like 50%, if I get 50% of the profit, I will exit from these positions. And I will make another strategies for the weekend, for the expiry, so that I will be in a positional, profitable positions. These are all the positions, guys. And I will let you know the adjustments if there is any on Friday. If there is no adjustment, tomorrow mostly there will be no video actually. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you guys have liked it, do share and comment, and make sure to subscribe the channel. Thank you.